Well, my learned brothers and sisters, this is Advocate P. Demarari talking to you from Ahmedabad, Gujarat State, India, that is far. Today I have come to you with a very good video on the topic of cross-examination. This is designed for those who wish to learn cross-examination, because cross-examination is the best weapon in the hands of defense advocate. Rather, I can say that cross-examination is the jewel of criminal law. And the topic for today is cross-examination, Indian Evidence Act, Section 137. It talks about examination chip that learned APP takes, and then it follows with cross-examination by the defense advocate, Section 137 of Indian Evidence Act, but it is replaced now by new law, that is Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, Section 142. It also talks about the same thing, examination chip, and then it follows with cross-examination. Now, let us start together. Let us cultivate the life of self-esteem and wisdom together. Now, I'm giving you some tips for the effective cross-examination which are to be kept in mind. Go straight at the witness at the point. You can ask questions on facts of the case, circumstances of the case, evidence in the case, additional with the charge sheet, and surrounding circumstances and attending circumstances. Never cross-examine any more than is absolutely necessary. Cross-examination should not be confined to the examination in chief. If you don't break your witness, then he will break you. This is very important. Never take your eye from that of witness. Why? Because this is a channel of communication from mind to mind. Its loss cannot be compensated by any means. Always maintain your dignity while cross-examination the witness, whether the witness is mild, shrewd, rough, or the liar, and so on. Never be angry during cross-examination under any circumstances. If you lose the temper during cross-examination, then there are bright chances for losing the case. Don't underestimate your adversary. So I always prefer to be a student of law throughout the life. Always learn something new. Always maintain court decorum and be kind to your learned brother. Before cross-examination the witness, please read prosecution case, all the papers between the lines, means minutely, and understand minutely. In any criminal case, there will be alleged place of occurrence. There will be panchanama of alleged place, and it is not to be proved if you want to win the case. The place of occurrence should not be identified by the witness. It requires brain, it requires intellectual questions. Then site plan will be prepared. The site plan also is to be challenged. Testimony of punch witnesses to be demolished, because generally punch doesn't observe everything. Only police officer, investigation officer helps them. They never write Panchnama. Police officer writes a Panchnama, and it is always in the language of police officer, not in the language of Panchis. Please read any Panchnama. Another important point: date and time of occurrence should never be proved. If date is proved, but time should not be proved. By whom the offence is committed, and the way the offence is committed, not to be proved, at least doubt to be created. Now, weapon offence. In all the criminal cases, there will be weapon of offence. It can be lakdi, it can be revolver, it can be sword, it can be anything. It can be demolished by many ways. There are ways and means by demolishing testimony of witness. Witness doesn't see the weapon offence minutely. By challenging blood group, there will be blood on the weapon of offence that you can challenge. By challenging fingerprint of accused. By challenging recovery and discovery and the like. You should know the distinction between recovery and discovery. If discovery is proved, then punishment is certain. Challenge case history and list of injuries stated in medical certificate or MLC. MLC means medical legal case. Proper application of Evidence Act, looking to the facts and circumstances of evidence before the court. Display your knowledge on various subjects while asking the cross-examination. And video tapping of the search and seizure process has been made mandatory for the evidence to be admissible in court. So you have to be careful about that also. This is a new provision. Victim statement in case of sexual abuse is mandatory, and video recording would be essential for sexual harassment. These are the new provisions in the law. So one has to be careful about that. One has to concentrate on that. Crime scenes involving offences punishable by 7 years or more will now require to have a forensic team present to help police to collect scientific evidence. So they may produce strong evidence against accused. So we have to analyze that evidence. You have to find out loopholes in that. You can demolish electronic evidence by strictly using provisions of Evidence Act. It means Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, new law called Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. Electronic evidence can be challenged if certificates from the complainant and certificate from the expert, if not adduced along with the charge sheet, then that evidence will not be considered. So these are the salient points to be kept in mind while cross-examination. One must have knowledge of literature, psychology, sociology, religious books, and that can help you. Criminal jurisprudence that can help in cross-examination. Now, I mentioned one of the most important law, successful law, that is Russell of United Kingdom. I love his cross-examination. By this right, pay my tribute to him. So, hope you like this video, you enjoyed this video, you have come to know certain new points. See you in the next video. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe, like it, share it. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.